Hello friends, my name is Anil Singhania and you are watching my YouTube channel AG Software. Friend, this is the third video on Django tutorial, and in the previous video we have created this attractive home page, and in this particular video I am just going to teach you how you can create a user registration form and how you can insert data into database. So let's do it. Before starting this video, I am just going to request to all of you, if you are a new user on my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my channel. If you want to create many projects with source code, and if you want to learn complete Django tutorial in a very simple way, then please subscribe my channel, because I can teach you Django tutorial completely in a very simple way. So let's do it. How we can create a registration form and how we can store data into database. So first I am just going to rename this about to registration. So here I will open homepage.html, and here about I am just going to this registration, and here about just type registration. Now the first step is to create a registration page. So right click on template and here new and here HTML page. Okay, now registration. Okay, now press enter. Now it's time. First I am just going to write a message here like registration form. Okay, now it's fine. Now just open the urls.py and here path, and here just type registration, and now here fuse dot registration. Okay, now just open views dot py and here define a function with name registration, and the parameter is request, and here just return render parameter request, and the page name is registration.html. now it's fine. Just again stop and rerun. Okay, now I'm just going to refresh this page and now click on registration. Okay, it's working. Now I am going to create a registration form. Okay, here I'm just going to use the Django inbuilt registration form. So here I will take a variable form. You can take any variable name, it's not compulsory to use form, and here user creation form. Okay, and now here I am just going to pass this form to the HTML form. So here I will write take a variable form and the value is form. Okay, and just open a registration page and here just type like this and here form. Okay, now refresh this page. Okay, now it's working fine. Okay, you can see that this is the inbuilt registration form from the Django. Here there are three fields, like one for username, and second is for password, and third one is for password confirmation, and there are some rules and regulations to create password for the user. Okay, now I am just going to create a button for register here. So I will type a simple HTML code for button, input type submit, and here value, and I am just using save. Now going to refresh this code. Now it's working fine. Here you can see that a button with name save. Now I am just going to code for this registration form. Okay, so let's open the code first, and here open views.py. Okay, now first I am just going to apply a validation if request dot method equal to post, then create this form and pass a parameter like request dot post. this method should be matched with this form. Sorry, actually I have missed something here. First we have to type form and here method and just post, and then it should be okay. Now it's fine. So this is the form method with name post. Now it's okay. And here just going to check this code. Form is created. Now apply a validation. If form is valid, then just save this form. So here I'm just going to save this form, and at this time, after saving the registered data, I'm just going to display a message like this form, or we can say that data is saved successfully. So here I will write return, and here I will write render, and the first parameter is request, and the second parameter is page name registration.html, and the third parameter is first I'm just going to write the same form. Okay, and the next parameter is success message. So I will take a variable msg and I will pass a message like registered successfully. Okay, now it's time to display this message to the HTML form. So here just open this form, and here I am just going to replace this message with okay, I will write here, and here just write msg. Now just I am going to check this code. So run this code. Okay, running. Okay, now just refresh this code, and click on registration. Okay, it's showing a local variable form reference variable before assignment. Okay, I got it. What I am missing? So first I'm going to open code, and here I will apply else, and then I'm just write form, and here user creation form. Now just I am going to refresh this page. Okay, now it's working. Now it's time to register data. So I will type a name like Rahul here, and here I will type a password, and then I will click on save. Okay, now it's showing error. So the error is CSRF token missing. So we have to add one more line here. So I am just going to type this, and here CSRF token. So CS. Now it's done. Okay, just going to refresh this page. Okay, now again going to register this data. So I will write this here and here. Okay, just click save, and it's saying the password is too similar to the username. Okay, just going to type another password. You can type as per your requirement. Okay, just click on save, and this time finally registered successful. So now I am just going to teach you how you can view this registered data into database. So to view this registered database, first you need to create a super user. So just follow me how you can create a super user. Okay, here just click on terminal, and here type python manage.py, and here create super user and press enter. Now this time it is asking that type of username. So here I will type username crazy programmer. Okay, now it's fine. And here email address, just I am going to type my email address. So I am just using abcd@. This is not my email address. I am just using a dummy email. Now a password. I'm just going to type a password. Sorry, password will not shown to you. Now it's created successfully. You will get a message, super user created successfully. Now okay, just visit here and here type admin. Okay, I have already logged in, so first I am just going to log out, and here again going to type admin. Now this time I am just going to type my username and here password, and now press enter. Now here there are many options, as you can see here. Just I am going to click on this users. This is the backend side. Actually this is the backend side where you can view all the registered data. So here you can see the list of registered data, and here you can see a green checked sign. This is the super user we have created in our database. So you can create any number of super users like admin. So here this is the normal data like Rahul and Anil, Anif, I posted. This is the normal data, and you can see the red cross sign, but the green sign indicates that this is a super user, like you can say that this is the admin. Okay, so as you can see here, just I am going to again home page, and here registration. So as you can see that this is a very simple registration form, or you can very common registration form, or you can also say that this is an inbuilt registration form from the Django framework. But in the next video I will teach you how you can create a custom and attractive custom registration page, and how you can insert data from the custom registration page into database. So if you are a new user on my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel, and if you like this video, then share it to your friends. And if you want to learn complete project and Django tutorial, then please subscribe my channel, because I can teach you Django in a very simple way. So thanks for watching this video.